Do you want to learn English quickly and easily? Do you want to be able to speak English like a native speaker? Then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best tricks to learn English. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you'll be on your way to becoming a fluent English speaker. Are you struggling to learn English? Here's a powerful tip. Immerse yourself in the language. Surround yourself with English movies, music, and books. Engage in conversations and practice speaking. Immersion accelerates your learning, helping you grasp natural expressions and fluency. Dive in and watch your English skills soar. Happy learning! Here are a few tips for immersing yourself in English. Start by choosing activities that you enjoy. This will make it more likely that you'll stick with it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning a new language. The important thing is to keep practicing. Find opportunities to speak English with native speakers. This is one of the best ways to improve your listening and speaking skills. Are you hesitant to speak English because you fear making mistakes? Don't be. Here's a valuable tip: focus on communication, not perfection. Embrace your errors as stepping stones to improvement. When you're learning a new language, it's natural to want to speak perfectly. But the truth is, it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they're learning a new language. The important thing is to keep practicing and not give up. Here are a few tips for focusing on communication. Don't try to translate everything in your head. Instead, try to think in English. Use simple language. It's better to use simple language and be understood than to use complex language and make a lot of mistakes. Ask for help if you need it. If you're stuck, don't be afraid to ask a friend, teacher, or online tutor for help. Ready to supercharge your English skills? Here's a game changer: use language learning apps. These interactive tools offer engaging lessons, vocabulary exercises, and pronunciation guides. Practice anytime, anywhere, and track your progress. With the power of technology, learning English has never been more accessible and fun. If you're looking for a fun and convenient way to learn English, I highly recommend using a language learning app. Here are a few of the most popular language learning apps: Duolingo, Babbel, Rosetta Stone, Memrise, Busuu. When choosing a language learning app, be sure to read reviews and compare features to find one that's right for you. Want to enhance your English proficiency? Here's a pro tip: write regularly. Keeping a journal, blogging, or participating in online forums sharpens your grammar and vocabulary. Practice makes perfect, and regular writing hones your skills. Seek feedback, refine your style, and watch your English proficiency soar. Here are some ideas for writing activities that you can do to improve your English skills. Write a journal entry in English. Write a blog post about a topic that you're interested in. Write a short story or poem in English. Write a letter to a friend or family member in English. Write a review of a book, movie, or TV show in English. Accelerate your English journey with this top-notch tip: find a language partner or tutor. Engaging in conversations with native speakers boosts fluency and confidence. They provide invaluable feedback and correct your mistakes, making learning interactive and dynamic. Together, you'll master English in no time. A language partner is someone who is fluent in English and who is willing to help you learn the language. A tutor is a professional English teacher who can help you with your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Once you have found a language partner or tutor, be sure to set some goals for yourself. What do you want to learn? How often do you want to meet? Having specific goals will help you to stay motivated and to make progress. Thank you for joining us today on this language learning adventure. We hope these tricks recommended by AI have inspired you to dive into the world of English with confidence. Remember, practice, patience, and persistence are your best allies. Keep learning, keep growing, and most importantly, keep connecting through language. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. Until next time, happy learning!